And this is my week 3 video blog. Today we're going to discuss me being appointed as a business analyst to help my healthcare hospital to improve the existing inpatient prescription process. And along, I have to also give recommendation on what models I will use for the elicitation, analysis, and specification of the user requirements with justification of each of the models and why I recommend them. So the first I'm going to talk about is elicitation, and the techniques model that I chose will be survey and questionnaire. And the reason why, because for one, questionnaires are cost efficient. It's the most affordable way to gather quantitative data, especially when dealing with online or mobile surveys. Like, you have a very low cost and you can reach a whole lot of people. Also, you don't have to hire any surveyors to ask people the questions. They can just actually do it themselves. Another one with elicitation, that they are practical. This means that they can be targeted, like you can target groups to your choosing and manage them in various ways. And you can also pick and choose the question asked as well as the format that you want them to be asked, such as open-ended or multiple choice. This way is it offers you to gather vast amount of data on any subject that you choose. Also, you get speedy results when dealing with questionnaires and surveys. It's quick and easy to collect results from online or mobile tools, and also you can gain insight within 24 hours or less, depending on the reach of your questionnaires. Another one is that it's scalability. Questionnaires and survey allows you to gather information from a large audience, especially when you're online. You can literally distribute your questionnaires to anyone around the world, provided that they have internet connections or anything like that. And this means at a relative low cost, you can actually target cities or major countries. Also, you got scientific analysis and prediction. All the information can be used to generate predictions and even create benchmarks for follow-up questions and questionnaires. Also, all the information actually give the marketers the capability to create new strategies and to follow trends in your audience that you seek when you're doing your questionnaires and surveys. The next one I'm going to talk about is analysis. And with analysis, I said that you can actually do data mapping. Data mapping specification is a special type of data dictionary that shows how data from one information system maps to data from another information system. And also, by creating a data mapping specification, it actually helps you in your project team avoid numerous of potential issues, the kind that tend to surface late in the development or during the user acceptance testing, and throw off project schedules, and not to mention irritate your stakeholders. Not just that, but data mapping specifications are particularly valuable when doing data migrations or data integration projects. And the last one that I talked about was specification. With specification, I said that the model I would use would be the Unified Model Language, or the UML. And the reason why, Unified Model Language is a object-oriented modeling language for the specification of complex systems. It represents a large effort from numbers of methodologies and to construct a common means of describing complex systems using object orientation. It is a specification language and not a development process. So there's really no details given on the features and how and when you link them together during any kind of system development. It is suitable for all stages of application of software development. Also, with the UML model, you can get multiple frame codes and generate the UML models in reverse. Therefore, you can actually draw the diagrams of different UML models according to the practicalities of the hospital information during the management stage. Also, you got the system analysis from different angles and levels is helpful for when designing the UML models, because the system is based on patient-centered design principles and serves diverse needs, such as establishing electronic medical record, hospitalization expenses management, pharmacy information management, etc. It would be great dealing with anything on that aspect as far as with the inpatient process, because it actually deals with a lot of that. So yeah, those are the 3 that I chose. The techniques as well, but hope you enjoy it, and I definitely hope that that's what he meant by models. So appreciate it.